Most times, I ask myself, why? Why am I here? I mean, why am I here? On this frigid mountain, hundreds of kilometers from home. Why did I dig out my bulky, cumbersome winter gear, only to haul it up a hill in a blizzard? What's the point? Am I trying to prove something? I guess the simple answer is, I'm doing it because I can. And because I'm lucky enough to have friends that, for some reason, also want to do nonsense like this. In the mountains, the only deadline is sundown. The only correspondence that requires a reply is the shit-talking dished out during card games with buds. The only mandatory meeting to discuss half-frozen gear over cheap scotch from a flask in a crowded tent. And then it's morning, I think. And putting on frozen boots with painfully numb fingers makes you more thankful than you ever thought possible for everything that isn't that. And then the sun comes up, and all of the questioning, any remaining whys, start to fade away. The mountains wake up around you, views that didn't exist until that moment. Each footstep makes more and more sense. Each challenge, each exposed section takes on a purpose. And when you reach the summit and look around you, the question, why, seems like the most pointless, unnecessary question in the world.